For your homework tonight, you were supposed to do problems 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 from the sheet that says solving linear equations at the top. There were a few students who we gave something else to, so if this doesn't match, if you were working with Miss Mathewson today, then this may not match, and that's because we wanted you to work on something else instead. So if you have any questions about that, do your best and bring them. We'll answer them in class. But this is to go over the page that most people are doing. So 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. I'm not going to do every problem. You guys made these videos in class, so I'm going to play a couple of these videos so you can sort of see how your other students did it, and record any questions you have, and we'll talk about them tomorrow. So here's the first one. This is problem 2, and I'll play it so you can see how Ansley did it and compare what you did.
We're going to do the distributive property. You would get negative 8y plus 6.
And just as a quick addition here, just remember that what a lot of people forget, this is a negative 2. When you do by negative 3, you get a positive 6, and that's why that's positive and not negative.
You can do minus 6. Minus 8. And you should 0. And here's our answer. Y equals 0.
So here's the problem 6 on that sheet so that you can sort of check that. This is one of the more difficult problems. If you follow directions in class, number 11's already done, which is very similar to this, so you can sort of see what they did. This is also similar to number 5. So after watching 6, that should hopefully help you sort of get 5 right. You're going to follow the same sort of procedures. So I'm going to play 6, and then 5 will be on your own. But here's someone doing 6.
We're going to use distributive property. Who's she? Said he.
All right, so you can see what she did, and she just negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times positive 7 is negative 21, and that's where this side came from. And then here we have 4x is 4x. 4 times 3 is 12, and then she brought down the plus 7. And she may explain this. I haven't watched this whole video actually yet, so we'll look out to see what she says. But that's where this line came from. And then remember, you don't want x's on both sides. So what she did was she said, well, since this is negative, if I add 6x, that makes all the x's go away from here, because negative plus positive, if they're opposites, it makes 0, which just left negative 21. But then 4x plus 6x made 10x, because we have to do it to both sides. So basically what you did was you took the 6x and moved it to this side by doing the inverse, just like you did anything else. And then you can see this line after that. And so Gracie's going to work from this point forward. The only thing I would do differently, and she still should get the right answer, we'll see. The only thing I would do differently is I would add the 12 plus the 7 first before doing the inverses. I would combine my like terms. So it looks like Gracie's not doing that. She should still get the same answer, so I wouldn't count it wrong or anything. But it will be easier if you do the 12 plus 7 first, since they're like terms. Let's see what happens.
And this is negative 28. And then 10x plus 12. And so now that's going to change it up around, because as you can see, it's on the left. We don't want it on the left. We want it on the right, because that's how we should be writing that. So we're going to put negative 28 there. We're going to do minus 12. We have to do the opposite operation. It's minus 12. And this equals negative 40. Then you add to divide. So you're going -4.
And that's exactly right. And I like the way that she showed each of her steps here, and it's -4. If you have any questions about these computations, just ask when you get to class. And it's funny, you can hear me on the video because Gracie was in the hall with the door closed. I was in the class. I'm apparently a very loud teacher, so I'm gonna apologize. Let me know if I ever get that loud again. Let's look at the one more example, if I can find one. So my computer's going really slow. I'm trying to pull up videos and it's just taking forever. So I have to get ready for tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'll try to, for problem 4, I want you to try to do it, but before we turn it in, I'm going to try to have a video from one of you guys that you made, and I'm going to show that so that you can see how to do number 4. It just won't be on this video. So hopefully I'll be able to do that tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be working a little faster by then. So if you have any questions about, we didn't do 1 or 5, but it's because they're really very similar to 2 and 6. So try your best. Please don't leave the paper blank in any of the sections. It's fine if it's wrong. Make mistakes. Just try hard, and let me know what questions you have. Other than that, we're going to do a quick quiz over this tomorrow. I didn't really announce that, but I think we're ready as I'm sitting here planning. So I want to, and it'll be over 2 steps and some multi-steps. So it won't be all what was on this sheet. So don't freak out on me about it. What I will tell you is that number 2 on this sheet, just to reward you for watching this video, number 2, I'm going to do that exact same problem. It will be on there. So we'll see who watched the video. If you watch it, you should get number 2 because it's on the video. Oh, here it's loading up. It's on the video. All you have to do is go back, watch it again if you need to. Make sure you know how to do it and know how to show your work on it so that you can get that one right for sure. I will use number 2 exactly as it is. Other than that, I think that's it. I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching.